welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video with the title No Makeup Look. So if you like the video, please don't forget to press the bell icon button. So yes guys, no makeup look doesn't mean that I'll not be applying any makeup. So yes, if I've spent time on this, if I've spent money on this, I'll surely be applying makeup. So after applying makeup, if that will look like no makeup look, that is called no makeup look. So let's begin with this. So first of all, for a glowy skin look, we need to prepare our skin very well, as we'll be applying very less amount of products later on. So it's really necessary to prepare your skin really well. So first of all, we'll be using the Cetaphil moisturizer for this. This is my favorite one. This is my third tube I'm using right now. I'm taking this onto my hand. Yeah, and I'll be applying this with fingers only. Brush do works, but fingers work more than that. Just apply all over onto your face and then rub it. After that, it comes to facial oils. So this is the facial oil I'll be using. This is from Nykaa Tea Tree Essential Oil. Usually they recommend 2 to 3 drops, but if you have really dry skin, you can go more with that. But yes, my skin is not too dry, so I'll just going with the 2-3 drops of this, taking into my hand, rubbing it well, and then tapping onto my skin for 20 to 30 seconds so that it absorbs well. Yeah, so it feels glowy. You can see that this look is called no makeup look, but yes, it can also be called as the reverse makeup look. So the things which we do after, we will be doing it before, like the concealers or the blushers or anything like that, we'll be doing it firstly. So first of all, there is nothing like perfect skin. Nobody has a perfect skin. Everyone has flaws. You can see onto my skin. This part is a little darker, this is darker, so I'll be concealing this first. So for the concealing process, I'll be using this Nykaa palette. It is not too expensive and even it has a 6 colors. So I'll be concealing the inner corner. After that, I'll be concealing this part also. I'll applying on here, little on here also, whichever part I feel like that's dark. All this, you can use any blender or the fluffy brush and blend it outwards. Inner corners. So after concealing all this, I'll be using this Maybelline concealer to conceal and highlight my center portion of the face and my eyelid like this. Little, don't apply too much, just the little. So after this, we'll be blending it out. Blend it completely into your skin. So after that, we comes to contouring. So I'm totally a contouring person. I love contouring. So for that also, I'll be using this Nykaa palette. So from this, I'll be using the brown color. So contouring my this part, hair, nose. So I love nose contouring. Those who don't love can skip this step. Little bit onto my hairline and then the jawline. Not too much I apply, but it's totally upon you. Blending all this. So I'm using this angular brush, but you can use the blender if you want. So blending it completely. This will look a little untidy, but yes, this is gonna look good after some time. So after that, it comes to blush. So any liquid blusher you can use, or any other lipstick if you like that. So I'm using a lipstick for this just to show you all. A little bit of lipstick I'll be applying onto my cheeks, and then I'll be blending this. It is looking too much right now, but after some time it will look subtle. So after this step, we have to use the foundation. Any foundation you can use according to your skin type. So I'll be using this from MAC, pouring some onto my hand, little, and I'm using just a little bit of essential oil or facial oil into this. This will give no makeup look effect to this. Just 2 drops of that. Mixing this both, and I'll be applying this with my fingers only. Firstly on the center portion where you want little more impact, and then going outwards. So now I'll be blending this completely into my skin. This will minimize the impact of the things we have applied before. So now you guys can see the things I have applied before, जो मैंने पहले apply करी थी, this has minimized the impact of that, and this is looking really glowy. So after this process, we'll be using any compact or any loose powder you can use. I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me. I like this a lot, and it is not too expensive even. You can use this on some parts of your face or the whole. If you like, I'll be using this under eye. So after this, I'll settle down the whole look. Coming on to the eyes, for this we will just be using the mascara. For that, I'll be using this Bobbi Brown. I just love that. It is little expensive, but this mascara is just so amazing. I'll be curling my lashes with this. So now you all can see how my lashes are looking. It's looking so amazing without the false lashes. I don't want to use any false lashes in this look, as this is no makeup look. So see how this mascara has given me such an amazing look. Now it comes to eyebrows. So I'll not be using any particular thing for my eyebrows. You can use any brow brush for that, or else rather than that you can use any mascara which has dried up. The brush of that, like I have this Maybelline mascara, so I'll be using this. This is all dried up, so I'll be using its brush for my eyebrows just to define it a little. That's it. So next it comes to highlighter. So any of the highlighter you can use, but in very little amount. It should not look very glowy, as you already have the glowy makeup look. So for that, I'll be taking a color from eyeshadow palette, any of the creamy highlighter look color from an eyeshadow palette. For that, I'll be using this Huda Beauty Remastered. So this creamy bubbly color I'll be using to highlight my cheekbone. I'm just highlighting little bit, not too much. You can use your fingers or any brush if you want. You can see this is giving me a little impact of the highlighting. So next we'll be using the lipstick. Not any particular lipstick I'll be using, but yes, I'm taking this Traffic Jamin from Nykaa, but I'll not be using it completely onto my lips. I'll just take a little tint of that and tinting onto my lips, just giving a little pinkish look. That's it. So after that, I'll be using this Enchanting from Huda Beauty. This is somewhat like a lip glitter, so I'll be using this little bit onto the center of my lips. I'll be using this Fix Up from MAC and spraying it all onto my face. So yes guys, we are done with this no makeup look. If you like the look, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you next time.